Oh, it's not a very nice day. Hello, so it is the 9th of March today, it's a Saturday, and I'm checking in on lambing 2019 early because yesterday we had our very first lamb born. So it was quite unexpected. The little lamb must have been from the result of a naughty mum. So basically, the ewe is a first year lammer, so something's happened and she got with the tup at the wrong time, so the lamb is healthy, but it was just a month earlier than expected. So we brought it in and it seems okay, so we'll just see how it goes and see whether we get any more surprises along the way. It's quite a cute little thing, but it had slightly slow traumatic lambing in that we had to lamb it and its tongue was out, maybe it got a little bit oxygen starved. It seems to spend a lot of time with its eyes closed. Hello, little one. Well, that was a bit unexpected. It is Sunday the 10th of March and we've woken up in a wintry wonderland. So, yeah. This is not the kind of weather that we want for camping or lambing, which starts in 2 weeks. Camping, that is. Lambing in just under a month. So yesterday we spent much of the day doing jobs towards getting the campsite ready for opening on the 1st of April. So we moved a lot of wood from having the tree surgeon the past couple of weeks. So moving wood around which we can use on the fire when it's dried and seasoned, and also carrying on, snowflake in my eye. Also carrying on renovating the little washrooms project that we're doing. But wasn't expecting that we were going to get snow this morning. Does make things a little bit more challenging. It's quite slushy snow. Here are some of the highland cows. Makes for a nice winter scene. So it sort of looks like spring, also looks like winter. These are the sheep who are all having twins and they're just waiting for their breakfast. Morning, girls! So it's about 10 to 8 now and I've had my coffee, so I feel a bit more on it. Put some makeup on, so hopefully I look a bit more presentable. I've got my brush and I'm going up to the bell tents to brush off the wet snow because it can cause the tents to collapse. It is very slimy underfoot. Little firstborn lammy is 3 days old now, looking quite healthy. Tail wagging is a good sign. Eyes open. Hello, little one. mega disgusting today. I think it's actually too wet to film, so I'm not even sure if you'll be able to hear me today because it is very windy. I'm collecting up daffodils that are victims. From the weather, and yeah, I'm not going to be staying outside for long today because it is grim! Being the female head of the house, it's also my job to make drinks to keep everyone going. Morning! Morning, Bambino! Best place for you is inside.
Morning, well we're out on the feeding run. It's very windy, but at least it's stopped raining and I think the sheep, although they don't like the wind, they get behind the wall, but the wet weather really pulls them down when they're heavy and lamb. So
Here we are.
yesterday morning was horrendous. I say it's excessively windy, but they're all looking quite bright and pleased to see us. So I've got to feed them behind the wall out of the wind and they'll enjoy that. My sheepy. There we go.
OMG, it is a pig of a day. The wind has just stopped this second, but it's been absolutely battering everything basically. So yeah, happy spring, happy March. Hello, hello, hello. So on Sunday, this little lamb was in the field and it was nearly pretty much dead. Well, not doing very well. And here we go. There you go. It's obviously feeling much better now. So I'm just coming to investigate the aftermath of the storm, and yep, we have a tear, people. That's not good. So that tent's knackered. Never mind. So this has been Storm Gareth. I think it seems like an obvious place to finish the vlog. So see you next week when we will be doing some more work with the sheep. Thanks for watching.